The year was 2023. One block got bored and got out an angle grinder and a welder. Complete rear axle weighs 45 kilograms, which is really good considering. not very concerned on smashing that limit, but if it does at some point, it needs to be upgraded to full tube chassis, which would be made of dockal, again for weight purposes.
Life's a bitch, I'm here to dim your lights like an eclipse. Let me flip, I wet your body frame like a G-clip. Fits I have, mixed with wrath, I'm unstoppable like epidemics. So if a gimmick is disposed of, it's no love. I throw a bolo to his head like a gold glove. Now greener days are coming to me like I sold bud. Your nickel sack raps ain't fucking with a hold up. Promotion pretty really nicky, but your flow's up. See, I've been living in the darkness for some time, with metaphors, creative flows, and punchlines. To move my status to the baddest of the unsigned. The title once mine. I enter ceremonies with the humblest of attitudes. I flatter fools, but if they battle, I'ma have to battle crew. So who's the next kid in line for execution? I'm ready to go to war, for I'm blind with revolution and conclusion. I sink into your thoughts like telepathy, don't ever me, cause I can put your intellect in jeopardy. You better see like it with prescriptions on their headpiece of lead leaf.
For now, holset HX52 is the turbo in use. It's running on ethanol fuel with 200-2000 injectors and 2 Vольво 5-5 fuel pumps. Engine has forged rods. Everything else is mostly either modified stock or just stock. As you can see, a lot of cutting has resulted in a relatively light car, 1100 kilograms with almost 100 kilograms weight plate in the front, having a 74-26 weight distribution. In factory condition, this car weighs about 1600 kilograms with about 52-48 distribution.
15:95. Täna läinud siia Urve.
First goal is to make 10-second passes, and then we can go on from there.
Siin on superklass, siis siin on
Seconds target is accomplished, while still being very raw in tune-up. But now for some more upgrades that we will cover in next videos. Quite a few interesting things planned for next season.